We are back with a new recipe, and today we are going to do a recipe from the Barbie cookbook, which I got as a gift from my uncle in summer. So we are going to see which one we are going to make. We are going to make the, on page 80, Very Berry birthday cake. And today Barbie says she had a special. What is it, Barbie?
It's my Teddy's birthday.
Oh, then this is a birthday cake too.
Yeah.
So let's go to page 80 and let's start. So this is how the cake is going to look like after it is done. It looks so yummy. There's a lot of chocolate cake and it's going to be 2 layers. So the ingredients that we are going to need is 3 eggs and 1.5 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cups butter, 3/4 cups dark chocolate chips, 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 15 large strawberries. And we are going to make the whipping cream. If you want, you can make the frosting. So these are the ingredients for the frosting. 1.5 cup butter at room temperature, 3 cups icing sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. So these are all the ingredients that you need. And here are all our ingredients. So, yep.
Platter, I like the chocolate cake. I want to eat that now quickly.
Okay, first of all, did you tell your Teddy that we are making a cake? Let's do it as a surprise. Okay.
I didn't tell.
Okay, good job. So let's see the instructions. So this first to preheat the oven to 310 Fahrenheit. Bobby, can you go and do that?
Yeah.
So when Bobby is doing that, we can read the second instruction. They told to thoroughly whisk together the eggs and sugar. So let's get the bowl and spatula. And can you give me the eggs, Bobby?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And I'll slowly get
this. So now I need to put the sugar. Okay, first we need to do the eggs. Yeah, so Bobby, so you're going to mix it. So
yeah,
we need to slowly put some of the sugar like now and wait like some 10 seconds and again comes the sugar. So yeah, let her whisk that. So let's move on. So the third step is to melt the butter and dark chocolate together in a saucepan over low heat or in a microwave. So melt the butter. So we got the melted butter over here. Yep. And they ask a dark chocolate together in a saucepan over low heat or in a microwave. So I think we need to put these both in some bowl and put it in the microwave. Yeah, after that step you have to mix both of them together. And then the fourth step, let's see. Add the chocolate mixture to the eggs. So we need to mix both of the mixtures and you need to like whisk it without lumps, and Bobby is doing that. So let's see the fifth step. So they told to carefully fold in the flour and baking powder. So we are going to do that. Yeah. Bobby, can you give me that?
Yeah.
Wait. Baking powder. Yeah. So let's add the baking powder. Yeah. So yes, we got the baking powder. Just put it in there. I will taste it and see how it is. Okay. Tastes so good. Oh yeah. So now we need to add this. And how much did they ask? So they asked not all-purpose flour, baking. Yeah, so they asked 1.5 teaspoons baking powder. So let's do that. So teaspoons, let's find the teaspoons. Yeah. So 1.5. So let's first get one full.
No.
So you need to add all-purpose flour. So they asked all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. So we added it, and Bhavi now she is mixing it. So she is giving it some good folds. If you want, you can add some vanilla extract too. If you want, it will make the taste even better. So and then you need to put them in like 2 pans because we are going to have 2 layers. So after she's done, I'm going to put the equal amount in both of these pans. And then before you do that, you need to grease the pans with butter fully, like this, both of them. Yeah, and you need to let that be in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. That will be enough. And then you can take it out. Yeah, Bhavi, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to do the pudding? Okay, then let's move the book aside.
The baking is done. It smells so good.
So now we are going to make the whipping cream. So if we need to make the whipping cream, we need the heavy whipping cream. So we need to put 1 cup, 1 full cup. So cup, this is 1 full cup. So
And we have to freeze both of these in 1 hour.
yeah. Will you hold this like this, Bobby?
Yeah.
We can put this aside. Yeah. I will open it. Yeah. So now we need to blend this whipping milk, heavy whipping milk, to get a really creamy texture. So now it looks kind of like milky and like a liquid. And in the middle, you need to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you need to put 1 cup sugar. So I'm going to start with it. Stiff peaks. So when I blended it, the stiff peaks came like this. Yep, that's how the stiff peaks need to come. Now let's add the sugar syrup to the cake. Let's put them in some holes. This is the first layer of the cake. So I added the whipping cream. And with a knife I spread it out, and then this is going to be in the middle, and I'm going to add the other layer of the cake just right on top of it slowly so it doesn't break. See, the cake is ready. Bobby, did you get your teddy?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Show him now, Bobby.
Here, surprise!
I love it so much. I want to cut it and eat it right now.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday